Good morning from Round Lake, New York, where we're working on a pond edge restoration project. When we met the homeowner a couple months ago, there was so much invasive plant material between the pond and the property that the pond was not even visible. So phase one was to remove all of that. We generated a pile of bittersweet and honeysuckle that was the size of an average school bus, and here we are at the edge planting a new garden full of 200 individual native plants that will fill in and just offer just a smorgasbord for the neighborhood's pollinators and birds. This morning we saw some otter in the pond. It is just a really, really beautiful sight.